Yo, what is going on, boy? Hope all is well. Tony here, back from Crypto Waters. And what the hell is going on? Like, everything just dumped a few hours ago this morning. And basically, there's these news articles floating around. Who the hell is Maxi Matrixport? If you take a look at this article here, Matrixport is saying that all Bitcoin approvals are going to be denied in January. And this is just rumors. We don't even know if it's going to get approved or not. The rug pull of the decade, there's always these things going around because there's insiders basically taking profit, shorting Bitcoin, shorting ETH, shorting alts. They put these pieces out and they make money and get out. But if we take a look at Bitcoin here, you can see, we were trending up since freaking a while ago now. And then we got to this golden pocket zone at 45,800, right? And then that scare comes overnight and dips it down to 40,000. It went down like 6%, give or take, something like that. And then you can see that we're basically back to where we were. We're below the 48, the 4,500 where we were kind of trading yesterday midday, but we're still in this zone here. People don't know, people don't know what the hell is going to happen. But let's take a look at SEI and what happened with SEI Coin. And guys, when it comes down to it, at the bottom line is where if we do get approved, if there is approval, I think we're going to hit this golden pocket zone of anywhere from 45 to 50 G's. We're going to have an initial pop because of all the excitement of the ETF approval, and then we're going to dip again. And how bad did it get? We got down to 40. The scare moved everybody down to 40K Bitcoin, which is not bad at all, right? So we're going to get a pop. We're going to get a little dump, but I don't think the big flush out is coming yet. Maybe in the next 3 to 6 months, we'll see. But let's take a look at SEI Coin really quickly and show you what the hell is going on here. So I woke up this morning, and good thing my liquidation was pretty low. At the position that I was in, my liquidation in this account was pretty much at like 30 cents, and I knew it was never going to go down there. So it did. SEI Coin literally was at 72 cents, give or take, and it dumped down to 50, and it bought back up within the same hour. And then the next hour it started getting green, green, green. By the time I woke up, I like literally left this thing running overnight while I was sleeping. By the time I woke up, it was already recovered and it was at 85 cents. Was it at 85? Because we were around over here. Is this the hourly? Yeah, this is the hourly. So by the time I got up, we were in here at like the 83 to 85 cents. And at that time, my position, let me see if I can move this. My position was about $9,500. The previous position that I was in. If we took a look at P&L here, you can see that I cashed out this morning at a $9,000 profit, closing because I was in from 60 cents, closed it at 82, took out 9K. I just ended up getting rid of my ETH short. It was coming back. I was pretty much break even yesterday. But I was like, I was kind of like in the red. This is a short a long that I kind of messed up on, $800. But overall, I'm up like a ton of money on SEI Coin here. I lost 2,000 on ETH, no big deal. But I got back in here at about 81 cents. So I'm back in 81 cents, going long. You can see I got a 129K trade at 81 cents. I definitely feel that this thing is going to pop again. We're going to see $1 within the next week or two. I think we're going to see $1. This thing is coming back like a vengeance. We're trading above this support line over here. If we take a look here, my computer is kind of lagging right now, maybe because of my VPN. But you can see that. Boom, we popped above, we bounced over here, and then now we're trading above. I don't see this thing, really dumping out anymore. There's just so much upside to this coin. It's crazy. I feel like we're gonna see $1, then $1.50, and then who knows from there. But I'm trading this thing. All right. So right now, currently, I'm down 4,100. No big deal. And this is part of my 100K challenge in my account here. So I put $15,000 in. We're at about $22,000 so far. It was 26,000 earlier, plus this 4,000 here. It was actually a lot over that when it was at like 85 cents or so. But I mean, is this a dump? No, Sacoin is freaking strong. It just keeps pumping, and you can see that this trend line that I drew days ago, I knew it was going to pull back to this trade line, this trend line here coming up, because you can see it pumped up, touched the bottom over here, and it was getting farther and farther away up here. I knew it was going to come back down somehow. I just didn't know how. But then boom, it pierced it right here and then bounced right back up. So you know, my computer, excuse this because my computer is really slow right now. I can't even do these little adjustments. Let's go to the daily, maybe the 4-hour chart. I can kind of give you a better view of this thing. But this is very, very crazy. It's, crypto. That's crypto. Crypto can go parabolic. If you take a look at this, this is that trend line that I drew. I'm like, we're going to have to touch it somehow if we want to keep this momentum going. And like you can see, it literally pierced it and then went back up. So, I mean, I see this thing playing out like this, and then we're just going to do something like this and go up to like $1.50. We might have some pullbacks, but the longer the time frame, the better we are. So as long as, let me just extend this out here. As long as we continue, if we continue to chop sideways at about 70, anywhere from 70 cents to 80 cents to 85 cents, I'll feel really good about this, because it's just going to be, consolidating for that next run up. And like I said, I see this thing going to passing $1. The dollar is going to be the milestone, but once it passes $1, I think $1.50 is going to be even quicker. But that's Sacoin. I don't think it's going to rug. What do you think? Comment down below. Let me know. What do you think? And this is basically, I'm going to make another video talking about my 100K challenge. So this is basically a $15,000 account that I want to build up to 100K as soon as I can. And once we get there, then we'll go for the 250 to 500 and then $1 million. We can see we do this in 2024. I don't know if it's going to happen. I'm going to try my best, of course. I'm using, 10 to 15x leverage. I don't feel comfortable going a little higher than that. I've seen guys using 50K leverage. It's a little crazy. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think on Sacoin. Do you think we keep pumping? Do you think we dump? What's the deal? I think, it was just a little news article scare. Look at it, to try to play the markets. This is the game. As long as you don't get spooked out, and as long as you have conviction in something, just stay in it and ride it out. You don't have to be playing with larger positions like me here. You could be in with smaller positions. I went in with 25% of my account on this trade this morning, going back in. And at one point today, I was at plus 5K. But now I'm down 5K. But, this is the game. This is the game. No pain, no gain. And scared money don't make money. So again, it's Tony here. Thank you for watching the video. Tell me what you think about Sacoin. Do you still have a ton of conviction? Do you think this is going to pass $1? Let me know. Comment down below. I'm going to be making a 100K challenge video, and also I'm going to make another video on the Palau ID, on how you can get this thing to basically trade in any of these accounts, even if you're in the United States or other countries that won't allow you to get access to trading platforms like this, like KuCoin, Mexi. With this digital ID, you can literally KYC and become compliant to be able to open up a Bybit account, a Mexi account, KuCoin account, whatever account, and be able to trade. So check the links down below to NordVPN. You always want to make sure that you're secured when doing any type of trading or crypto online. Check out the links for NordVPN. Check out my website, cryptowaters.com, if you want to learn how to make massive wealth in crypto. I've been doing this since 2017. I've been buying Bitcoin since 3,000. Well, 7,000. Then we kind of pumped up. And then when we had that crash in 2019, I picked up a whole bunch of Bitcoin. I've been buying Ethereum since 150 bucks, and literally, sold approaching the top to buy a piece of property that I'm in right now. And this is basically my work bus. I'm in a cool renovated huge bus on my property, and then my house is down there. So pretty cool stuff. Anyway, it's Tony here. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about SEI Coin, and I'll be updating you on this trade once we are pretty much getting into the green. And I will talk to you soon. Have a good day. Peace.